finally here, our new set of rims or wheels from Brinks. So this is the new wheels or rims that we got. So we're opening it now. Unboxing it. Ooh. Flow form monoblock. Nice.
From Brink wheels.
So we just realized this rims is actually pretty light.
It's light.
Wow. This is light.
Does it have like a spec of how much it weighs?
I think it's 24 pounds. It's really covered.
Sealed.
Oh, shoot.
Maybe you need to remove that.
Oh, man, it's like a Christmas gift.
Oh, wow. That's
this is
nice.
Oh, crap.
Wow, that's so nice. It's
I
like
know.
a gunmetal. It looks like our collar.
It is our color.
I know.
This is what the it comes with, the cover. Brink Wheels USA. Precision engineered. Flow form monoblock. And of course, it's the 6-spoke. So we just finished opening up all our 5 wheels or rims. This is all it right here. Wow, the cool thing about this is it's really light and strong because it's a flow form monoblock. So we just put our rims or wheels in the weighing scale and it is 24 pounds. I believe our SASQUATCH is what, 34 and a half, I think, or 35, but we'll soon find out. Okay, so we're back here at American Tire Depot where we got our Yokohamas, and we are now letting them install our new Brink wheels.
Yeah.
Because now we have our new rims.
Here's our new rims.
I know, it's so nice, but the zero offset actually, when we turn our tires, it hits this.
Yeah, so we're just gonna use the saw.
There.
Mm-hmm.
So this was the piece that we cut. Now the tire is now not touching the body. There you go. No, cutting it and then grinding it. Spray the rust reformer. So we have the tire in full turn. Wow. We even had to trim some of the fender liners too. So there, perfect. And then turn it the other side now, please. Woo, perfect. Relocated the wiring harness.
The wiring is actually
connected
here, so I just removed it so we
could pull it up.
Yeah, and then
and then put it like that.
Yeah.
Because when we turn the tire, it doesn't scrape, but if you're in a certain angle, it actually kind of rubs it. We're now shaving some more of that part using our Dremel.
Yeah.
The pieces that we cut from our fender liner, man, it's so strong. Look, it's carbon too. Our carbon fiber liner is actually half gone already. Yup, from all the mods that we have done. And then we put the wiring, tucked it in at the back. All right, we're now weighing our old SASQUATCH rims.
35.5.
Oh crap, 35.5. All right, so we're doing another testing for our Yokohama tires.
Yes.
This time it'll be for the snow and rocks.
Yeah.
Not boulders, but just rocks.
Yeah.
Snow and rocks. Hello, Jeep friends.
Here's all the Jeep friends.
I know.
Wow, those Yokohama tires are
the base.
good. We didn't even have to air down.
No airing down.
No airing down, and our brink wheels are
Oh,
holding
look at
up
this.
so
Damn.
good. Look at that.
So we're back here at Rosa Maria's. We got ourselves some chili relleno, 2 plus 8 for the week. All right. Oh, and then the horchatas. All right, let's do this. We're now going to chop this, but first we're gonna try it manually.